Hi there viewers, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how we can make a shutdown button in our desktop screen. So let's get started. First of all, we have to right click and then click on new, and from here we have to click shortcut, and in this shortcut we have to write the name shutdown.exe space /s space /f space /d, again space 00. So we have to write this code and then we have to click next. After that we can change this shortcut's name shutdown. Click here, finish. You can write anything you want and then click finish. After that, our button has been created. Now we can give an icon in this button by clicking right, go at properties. From here we can click and change icon. After that, click OK, and then we will see many icons. From here you can choose anything you want. So for this shutdown button, I'm pressing this icon and then press OK and click OK. So now our shutdown button has been created. If you now double click, then your computer will be shut down automatically. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, so make sure to subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me. Thank you very much.